ladies and gentlemen. Let's dive into the vibrant world of parsley, the unsung hero of both your kitchen and your health. Parsley, known scientifically as Petroselinum crispum, is more than just a garnish. This humble herb is a powerhouse for digestive health, helps with respiratory issues, and is a staple in culinary dishes worldwide. Packed with a plethora of vitamins and minerals, parsley is truly a nutritional gem. For those of you with green thumbs, parsley thrives best with regular watering. Keeping the soil consistently moist is key. It's a cool season plant, flourishing in the mild temperatures of spring and fall. Once established, you can continuously harvest its fresh leaves, ensuring a constant supply for your kitchen creations. Parsley loves basking in the sun, preferring full sunlight, but can also tolerate partial shade. It grows best in well-drained, fertile soil with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0, providing the perfect environment for its roots to thrive. But wait, there's more. Parsley isn't just for adding a touch of green to your plate. Its medicinal uses are impressive. Parsley tea is known to help with bloating and can act as a natural diuretic, supporting kidney health. Its rich antioxidant content also supports immune function and reduces inflammation. Spice up your life with parsley, the tiny herb with huge benefits. Your taste buds and body will thank you. Parsley's small leaves, mighty benefits. Well, this is SMF, a botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.